Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy-centric channel. Urine infection is a very common problem during pregnancy. In this video, I'm going to tell you some of the causes of the urine infections, what all are the symptoms and the signs that will be visible that you will experience during pregnancy when you have the urine infection. And the third chapter will be the treatment, how you can cure it, steps you have to take when you are feeling all these symptoms. So let's get started. Urine infection, that is commonly known as UTI. The full form is urinary tract infection. That means there is some infection somewhere in the path, that is the tract of the urine. So anywhere in the tract of the urine, if there is some infection, this problem is termed as urinary tract infection. There could be so many causes for this. The number one cause is the dehydration. If you are not drinking good amount of water, at least 8 to 10 glassful of water, as we always say you should drink during pregnancy. If you are not drinking that much, then the chances of UTI increases during pregnancy. Number second reason could be your compromised immunity, which is a very common problem during pregnancy. If your immunity is low, you are more susceptible to viral infections, and this could also cause urinary tract infections. Number third could be the diabetic problem. If you are already suffering from diabetes or you are facing the gestational diabetes problem, then this could be also one of the reasons of the UTI problem. Another could be if you are in habit of holding your urine for some long time. That means the urinary bladder is getting filled up and it is becoming more prone to the bacterial infection. This will also lead to UTI. Last but not the least could be some of the side effects of the antibiotics. If you are taking any sort of antibiotics, then this could also become one of the reason. Now, how will you identify this problem? What signs and symptoms you will be noticing? The number one sign is the burning sensation while you are urinating. You are having pain while urinating, or you are having the lower abdomen pain. This is a very big sign that this is urinary tract infection. When you will have this problem of UTI, you will also have frequent urge to urinate. This problem will be irritating because you will visit the toilet multiple times, but the urine will not come as it should flow. It would be coming in drops. Very less urine will be coming out. And you will also notice that the color of the urine is changing. It could be dark yellow, sometimes it could be orange, dark brown, or you will find some stains of the blood in the urine that you are passing. If the problem of UTI has aggrandized, then you will also notice that the urine has become cloudy. Urine normally remains transparent, but due to the presence of sediments during the urinary tract infection, the urine becomes cloudy. You will also notice very unusual, very foul smell in the urine. It is also a big sign of UTI. If your problem of UTI has become big, it can also reach to the kidney and it can also make your kidney infected. And when your kidneys gets infected, you will feel more prominent signs like you are having fever, you're feeling cold, nausea, and the urge to vomit is also there. So when these could be the signs and the symptoms, anytime you're noticing these signs, you have to visit your gynecologist for some tests like urine routine test or the urine culture test. In the urine routine test, the presence of the bacterial infection or the yeast to confirm that it is UTI. The next level test could be the urine culture test, in which will confirm the presence of harmful bacteria in the urine, and also it will help in understanding that which antibiotic would work to resolve this problem of UTI. Definitely antibiotics can be a solution and it will help in resolving this problem, but this problem of UTI may return if you are not maintaining hygiene or due to any of the causes that I have already told. So what you can do at your level is to maintain hygiene. Try to stay away from making any sort of the physical relationship during pregnancy. If you have found this video informative, do press the like button. Consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, and then select all to never miss an updates and notifications from Health Tricks and Tips in English. We'll catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.